Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock your folders on PC or laptop. In my video, you can see the cards on the top by clicking on this. You can watch my previous videos, hit the like button, click on the subscribe button to get more notifications. Thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I am on the laptop screen. You can see folder. I am going to right click on this. Below you can see properties. I just click on this. You can see security. I just click on this. Group or usernames. Below you can see administrators. I just click on this. I just click on edit. Again I am going to click on administrators. Below you can see permissions for administrators. You can see allow and deny. I am going to deny all this. Just click on apply. Click on yes. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now by clicking on this, you can see you do not currently have permission to access this folder. Now I am going to rename this file. You can see, just click on enter. We cannot rename this file. Now I am going to delete this file. You can see, you can delete this file. Now I am going to copy this file. Just click on copy and paste it. You can see this file cannot paste it. At the same time, if you unlock this folder, just right click on this, click on properties. You can see security. Just click on this. Just click on administrator edit option. Just click on administrators. You can see allow and deny. Just unmark this. Just click on apply. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Now you can rename this file. Just click on enter. You can see this file has renamed. If you want to copy this file, just click on copy and paste it other side. You can see this file has started copying. Thanks for watching.